What did we do to deserve this? Nothing.
Holy, that's
Oh my god. Sea bass lettuce cups. Today, we are completing one of my lifelong dreams of being a sushi chef for my friends. I don't have very big dreams, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know why, but I've always wanted to do this, and I figured what a fun thing to do for my friends and a fun video to make for you guys. So today, we've created a menu, and I'm gonna host a dinner party for 4 of my closest friends who enjoy Japanese cuisine and sushi and things that I like to make, and I'm gonna serve them here at my island bar. Just like when Alicia and I did our credit card swap, and we had an actual real sushi chef come to the house and make us food. I love eggs. Oh my god.
I don't think I'm ever gonna be the same.
It's not gonna be that good, but it's gonna be fun. The guest list is top tier tonight. Super A-lister. Can't believe I got them all to be here. First, we have my fiance, Cal Parsons. Next up, we have none other than Alicia Marie, my podcast co-host and BFF. We also have none other than Ollie Abbas, my other BFF, and then my other BFF, Mia Sayoko. So that's the guest list. As I said, we have the menus here printed out. We have all the place settings. We have a theme. We have a vibe. It's gonna be fun. To be honest, there's a lot of stuff that I have never tried to make today, and we're just gonna wing it and see how it goes, and hopefully my friends are nice to me and say it tastes good. Alicia's favorite thing at Nobu is the Wagyu tacos. So we have the Wagyu tacos, spicy tuna crispy rice, one of my absolute specialties. I've done it on Cooking with Remi. Miso sea bass lettuce cups. These are a Nobu copycat recipe that I tried recently, fell in love with, and that inspired this dinner party. Assorted nigiri, uni pasta. I don't even know if anybody here likes uni. It's my favorite, and I'm gonna eat it, even though I'll just stand in the closet and eat it myself. And then last but not least, matcha creme brulee, which I made yesterday, taste tested one, and they were so good. Now, when I tell you guys, I took tonight very seriously. I had fish flown in from Japan for this, as well as Kai Wagyu was nice enough to send us Wagyu and caviar and things for tonight. I was a little nervous that my deliveries weren't gonna come in on time, but they did. First, we have our fish delivery. We got fish flown in from Japan. It's like a mystery box. Santa Barbara uni, Toro, or fatty tuna. We have Ora King salmon, and then Kai Wagyu was nice enough to send us some products for this video, so thank you so much to Kai Wagyu. I'm so excited. Oh my god! Ooh, a Wagyu meat sauce.
Nice.
Yum. We've got a couple other ones. Oh my god, artisanal soy sauce. And we have ponzu yuzu sauce. I love ponzu. My mom loves ponzu too. Oh, we have a card. Thank you, Kai Wagyu. Oh my god. We got Australian Wagyu, A5 Japanese Wagyu, more Australian Wagyu, more Japanese Wagyu, real wasabi. This is amazing. I might even be more excited for that. This is incredible. This is gonna be potent. And then last but not least, are you ready, Cal? Caviar.
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be a fun day. And it's just gonna be a lavish night for my friends, and I can't wait. So let's get cooking. Woo! I feel like Rachel Ray when she would go to the fridge and grab everything at once. I don't even know what I need, I'm stressing. Oh, I need lemon. Okay, perfect. Try this, garlic aioli.
I like it.
Good.
It tastes like Long John Silver's.
Okay. Okay guys, I just cut a disc out of my egg roll wrapper, and I wanna make it into a taco shell like at Nobu, but I don't know how to fry it to keep its shape. I should have practiced this more than an hour and a half before they come, but we're gonna try putting this in the oil and see how this goes. We're gonna just try one. Maybe if I hold the shape a bit. Oh, I think it's working already. Yay! Oh my god, it worked! Yay! I learned the method is 2 tongs. Pinch it a bit, lay it in gently, and then you must work quickly. And you gotta use 1 tong to prop it open as it's crisping up, and then you let it fry like that. No one likes a taco with no filling. Like, we need to make sure there's room to put filling in. And then once it solidifies, flip, and there we go! Here we go, ready guys? Oh, yay! In here we have chopped tuna, green onions, sesame oil, soy sauce, sriracha, Japanese mayo, salt, pepper. And I think that's it.
You love it when
It's
I
perfect.
like double.
And I did a little truffle oil too. It's good.
Nobu?
Quite possibly the most important question of the night. How should the rice look for the spicy tuna?
Hearts.
Well, that's not an option. So should we do squares or rectangles?
Squares.
Squares?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! passion fruit vine had so many babies. So I want to use these to make a little welcome drink. Chop her in half. Oh, she's a juicy one. Passion fruit into my glass. I love guava juice. Splash of that. A little Miss Splash of Miss Mango. Oh, that was a lot. Now, seltzer water. Ooh, beautiful. We add in a straw. We give it a mix. Nestle her right in there. Oh, it's so cute. But now for a taste test. Ooh, delicious.
Hello. Remi.
Oh my God.
Rem.
Do you see what's first on the list?
Wagyu tacos.
For you, bitch.
Rem was like, "Are you free?" I was like, "Duh, I will cancel anything."
Welcome, everybody.
I'm nervous now. Wow, don't be.
Welcome to Remi's restaurant.
Let's
We're gonna start with a nice. This is so funny. We're gonna start with a nice mocktail.
go!
Your drink will have homegrown passion fruit in it from the garden.
I love how you're like, "Thanks so much for coming, guys." When like we literally just gonna come here and sit and eat. Oh, is this what you get every night?
No.
She like spits in your food.
Oh my God, I'm so nervous and sweaty.
So, how's everyone's day? I had migraine all day. Oh no.
You could have not come.
This is all I was looking forward to all week.
I'm so glad everyone's here.
Uni pasta.
Okay, yes.
Wow.
Is there anything like? Is there anything?
Wait, I didn't even look at the menu.
Yes.
Spicy tuna crispy rice. Slay. Miso
Slay.
seed. Please don't look
That-
at the lettuce. This is damn near Nobu.
Homegrown passion fruit for you, Cal.
Thank you,
So-
Chef Remi.
Yay! Everyone subscribe to Cooking with Remi.
Yes. It's good. We just made it.
Oh my god.
We're going to begin with this stunning Japanese A5 Wagyu.
Wow.
Wagyu.
Wow, good.
That looks expensive.
It does look expensive.
The most random casual Tuesday.
This is not real.
Oh my God, look at all the fat coming out of the meat.
It was I think it was today. I was like, they're engaged. What the fuck,
That's
dude?
me every morning.
Do you guys have a marriage pact? No.
Yeah.
Oh, you better just
No, yeah.
No, yeah.
I prepped a taco shell. Mm-hmm. Cal and I did go to Vegas and we did go to Nobu for some research.
Wagyu.
Plate for you,
First course of the
This is
night.
so good.
Yeah.
More.
Down here.
Holy fuck.
Oh my god. Wow. Wow, that meat is so tender.
This
if
is
you want,
violently good.
I can pack it to go boxes.
Lunch tomorrow.
I didn't sign off on that.
That's the best thing I've ever had in
Yeah.
my life.
I'm about to have Kai Wagyu on speed dial.
Music. How do you remember the first meal that Rem cooked for you where you're like, damn, she's a good cook?
I would say it was the first one, but it was a meal that she was making so many times. Air fryer salmon.
Oh my god.
It looks amazing.
Oh my god.
This is why I be asking for this every day.
Good? Nobu sea bass lettuce cups.
Wow.
You go, Cal. I want to watch your face.
I'm gonna go right now.
Yeah, because you don't like it. It's the least important because he'll love me anyways.
It's hot. It's hot.
He's like called 911.
It's really good.
What's the crispies on the top?
Crispy phyllo dough, which is what they do at Nobu. Again, from my research.
Wow. Where's
Oh my
the fish
God.
from?
Costco.
Oh yeah.
Oh
so
my
good.
God.
Not a sin.
It
This
tastes
is better than
amazing.
Nobu. This lettuce is. I was
Costco
fantastic.
lettuce.
It's crazy. It's like, it's handpicked.
This is gonna be good.
Can anyone here juggle? No.
Not I.
I do. Yeah. Call me Kyle the fucking clown.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Rem Remicruz.
What did we do to deserve this? Nothing.
Holy, that's my favorite.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow, you guys. This is crazy.
Torched Wagyu sushi.
Wow. Oh my god.
Remi, that's my favorite.
Yeah.
Amazing. I can't believe we just have Wagyu, uni, and caviar in the same bite.
You get to marry this.
I'm trying to sit up straight so I don't get cramps.
Right,
So
and
the
then
pasta
Are you still
is
hungry?
coming, right?
Thank you, mother.
You're so welcome.
Oh my god.
You
This is
like?
fucking
Ren.
good.
And for dessert, matcha creme brulee.
Oh my god.
Girl.
Holy shit.
And she.
One of the best desserts ever.
Yeah.
So good.
What do we offer, Remy?
Nothing.
And that concludes our first episode of Restaurant. What do we call it?
This is a series.
Remy's restaurant.
Remi's Restaurant. Thanks for watching. Bye.